So you've spent hundreds of pounds on a brand new website and it's simply not generating you any leads or sales for your trade business. If that is you, then you definitely need to watch this video to the very end, because I'm going to share with you the number one reason why you're not generating any leads or sales from your website. I'm going to break down exactly what you can do about it. And if you stick with me to the end, I've got something free that I would love to give you, and that will massively help you to start to generate more leads and sales from your website. So what is this number one reason why you're probably not generating any leads or sales for your business? Well, the simple answer to this is probably nobody can find your website on Google. And if nobody can find your website on Google, then you're not going to generate the leads and sales that you deserve for your business. So how do we solve this problem? Well, what we need to do is get your website ranking up on that very first page of Google, because when it ranks up on that first page of Google, this is where customers are looking for your products, your services. They're not going to go onto the second page. They're not going to go anywhere else when they want, for example, a plumber in their local area. They're going to go to Google and they're going to type in, for example, a keyword like plumber near me or plumber in Manchester if they're living in Manchester and they want a plumber in Manchester. They are what we call specific keywords that your website needs to be optimized for, so that when people type in them keywords into Google, Google then looks and goes, that website there is answering that search query, and therefore Google will put your website in front of that homeowner or customer who is looking for a plumber in Manchester. That is the first thing that you need to understand. If it's not being seen by people, then that's why you're not generating any leads and sales. If your website is ranking up on that first page of Google and you're still not generating any leads and sales, then there are issues with your website and what you're offering on your website. But the first, and like I say, the biggest reason is because nobody can find it. And so, like I say, I'm going to give you now some step-by-step things that you can do to solve this problem. Step number one, if you've not already got what we call a Google business profile, then head on over to Google, type into Google My Business or Google Business Profile, and you will be able to claim one for your business. Sometimes you need to verify your business with Google to say that you're a genuine business and you have a location-based business. Then Google will give you that listing. Once you've verified it, you can do this via text or phone call, or sometimes they'll ask you to do a video to prove that you own the business. And once you've verified your business, then you're good to go. And you can move to step number two. And step number two is where you ask your customers to leave you reviews on your Google business profile. So these reviews are super powerful. What they do is they demonstrate to customers looking for a plumber in Manchester that you're a quality service provider because you've got the reviews. So what I recommend to all of my customers is that when you're just about finishing off with a job, you're out on a job, you're just about to finish off, I recommend that you go to the homeowner and you say to them, I'm just about finishing off, cleaning up now. Is it possible that you can leave me a review for the work that I've done today? It would make a massive difference to us and our business. They will be glad to do it if you're just cleaning up and you've done a good job. So then if you do it on the spot, they're more likely to do it. If you message them weeks later, days later, they're not probably going to do it. They're too busy and they forgot about it and all of that. So do it when the moment is right, and that is just about when you're wrapping up. The second thing that you need to do is you need to write specific web pages for your services that you offer. These website pages are specific for every service each location that you serve. So emergency plumber Manchester, emergency plumber St Helens, emergency plumber Wigan, wherever your location is, you need to be writing a page for that keyword. Again, boiler repair Manchester, boiler repair St Helens, whatever industry you're in, whatever service you offer, whatever location you want to target, you need a specific page designated for that. And what I've done is I've created a special checklist. This checklist goes through a number of different things that you need to do in order to give your website the best chance possible of ranking up on page 1, so that you can finally beat that competition and get the local jobs that you deserve for your business. To get this PDF guide, all you need to do is click the button or link in this post. Head on over to the website, you'll be able to download it for free. And again, what I have is lots of other different services, some are free, some are paid for, that will make a massive difference to your business. And I'll tell you more about them in another video, and also by your email when you sign up for that guide. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.